Hey, Robbie Lynn. Here's the next the steps that we're going to take with REBO Gateway. I'm going to send you a file like this. It's called the REBO Gateway Daily Process. It shows what we need to do. And what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing for each county. So there's the 2 counties in Colorado and the 3 counties in Florida. And I'm just going to follow this process. What we're going to do, let's start out with the Jacksonville ones. So you do county search. Let's just start with Duval County. And here we're just going to do searches. The ones that we're going to do, you see here, these are the ones that we're going to do. The affidavit of death, bankruptcy, divorce, although that's not available in the Florida counties. Estate sales, those aren't available in Colorado. The for lease by owner, for sale by owner. The notice of defaults, not in Florida though. Notice of LP, and the probates, that's only in St. Johns County. And then tax defaults, that's not available in Colorado. So basically, if these are available, run them, okay? So what we're going to do, and you're going to do this on a daily basis. So right now today we would be doing the stuff from yesterday, which is Friday. So what we do is we choose from the list here. We're going to start out with affidavit of death, although I know there's very few of those. I'm going to go to one that I know there's a few in there, the for lease by owner. So here for Duval, you do affidavit of death, you do bankruptcy, the estate sales, for lease, for sale, notice of LP, and you also do tax defaults. You're going to do all those for Duval County. So let's just do the for lease by owner. Okay. Since you're doing the previous day, and this is only on weekdays, not weekends, so we're going to be doing it for Friday. So that's yesterday, that's 7/29. So I actually already have it set here, 7/29 to 7/29. We're only doing one day at a time. So you're going to search. Looks like it found 5 records. Okay. Then we want to export those. Okay. To export them, you click on REBO Marketing, Data Export, and then export as an Excel file. Okay. And it's right here. Then what we want to do is we want to just go ahead and rename that. So this is the Duval. This was Duval for lease by owner. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to show it in the folder. Bring it over here. And so this one is going to be called Duval for lease by owner. Lease by owner. You can go ahead and put the date on it, which was yesterday. It was just go 7/29. Okay. So there's that one. And let's do one more. So after that, let's do one more. Let's go back here and let's try to do the for sale by owner. Again, let's go 7/29 to 7/29. Search. Okay, there's 3 there. Okay, so go REBO Marketing, Export, Excel. I'm going to rename that one also. So this is going to be Duval for sale by owner 7/29. Okay. So then you're going to go through all the ones for Duval, and you'll go all through all the ones for Clay County. See, there's tax defaults there, Clay County. And then the unusual one is St. Johns County. It has the other ones, but it also has this one, probate. So you'll want to do that one also. Okay. Now, once you have that, I want you to combine all those 3 counties together into one. So what we're going to do there, I'm going to go ahead and open up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to I'll just create a new one. I'll copy one and create a new one, and then add the other ones to it. So I'll just start with this one. Copy, paste. And what I'll just call this one is this is just going to be called, this overall is going to be called Florida, because I put all the Duvals, St. Johns, and the Clay counties into it. So this one's going to be called Florida 729. Okay. And so it already had the for sale by owner, so I need to add the for lease by owner to it. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, the for sale by owner is already there, so I'm going to open this one up. Yes. And it's right here. And what I'm going to do is also open up, that was the for lease by owner, the next one. So here's the for lease by owner, okay? And here's the overall one, Florida, that has the for sale by owners. Then all I'm going to do is I'm going to just highlight all these, right click. I have to enable editing first. Enable editing. Highlight all those. Copy. And come here to the Florida one. Enable editing. Click right there. And paste it. Okay. And it keeps all the same. All the columns are the same. Okay. So then you would so you go through all those for all the counties, and so we might have quite a few things like the divorces and the deaths and some of the others. You may find there's very, very few, maybe one, probably most of the days 0 of those things. But anyway, so then we have all these. Now, once we have those, so we get everyone for all the 3 counties for the Florida. So this is the Florida. So let's say we'd finish this now. Then the next process here. Okay, we did all that. What we want to do, this is what we want the file to finally look like. You have the address, the name, address, there's a site unit, city, state, zip, parcel number, contact, and type. We're adding these 2 things in here. But let's get these first ones in here. So we have address C here. Let me make this so you can see everything. So we're keeping the address, the site number, the city, state, and zip. So we're keeping all that. Then the only other thing we want in here is the parcel number, which is going to be, let's see where that is. Let's look way out here. Oops. So we're way over here, okay? So I'm going to get rid of all the stuff in between here. Zip, so I get rid of all that. And delete all that. So there's parcel number. And then here's the file here. Other than that, we're going to add in 2 things, the contact, which contact date, and the type. So after parcel number, I get rid of all the rest of this stuff. Just delete that. Okay, scroll back here. Then, like I said, the 2 things we're going to add, contact and type. So right here, I'm just going to say contact. Wait a minute, it's really the date is what it is. Let's just call it date. And then type. Now, the date that we were doing was 7/29. Okay, I'm going to copy that here. Okay, and then the type, what I have in the write-up here is that type 8 means that it's a REBO gateway lead. So all these that we're doing on a REBO gateway are going to be type 8s. Okay, so all I'm going to do is put a type 8, copy it, and paste it. Okay, and then again I'd save it. And so it's Florida 729. Save. And that's okay. Okay. So for right now, if we can get it to that point, so every day if you start doing this and get a file, and let's save those, let's see, under Rivalin, I've cleaned things up a little bit. Here's the Dropbox under REBO Gateway. There's I'm going to clean it up a little bit. It's going to basically be we're going to have Florida prospects, and then we will have Colorado prospects. And so then you'll file like the one we did just now under the Florida. Then the next step, which I'll show you in another video, is going to be the Access database. But I need to talk to you about getting Access set up on your computer. All right, so that's it for now. Thank you.